Hello, this is Val, the design engineer at VentTabs. Today we will be doing a Venttab replacement install for a Toyota 4Runner 2014 to 2020. This is the driver's side vent, but this applies to all of the front vents. Here is our replacement vent tab. You can see it has our patented one-piece design. Okay. And so we're going to lightly put it on halfway, not all the way, onto this blade, just like that. Now we want to check to see if the forks on the vent tab line up with the back post, and once they are lined up like mine, just push it on until it snaps in place, and there you have it. A working vent again. And you can find all of our products online at VentTabs.com. Thank you for watching.